Hello friends, and welcome to A.K. Agarwal Aptitude series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem on simple interest. Here the given problem is Mr. Jacob invested total rupees 25,000 divided in two different schemes A and B at the simple rate of interest 5% per annum and 8% per annum respectively. If he received rupees 3280 as total amount of simple interest for the 2 years, what was the amount invested by him in scheme A? Total he is having 25,000 rupees. Some amount was invested in scheme A and some amount was invested in scheme B. At scheme A he was getting 5% per annum and in scheme B he was getting 8% per annum. After 2 years he received 3280 as total interest from the two schemes. So what was the amount invested by him in scheme A? So friends, to answer this question, first let us assume he invested X rupees in scheme A. Total amount he invested 25,000. Out of 25,000, X rupees he invested in scheme A. So obviously in scheme B he will invest 25,000 minus X. Remaining amount is invested in scheme B. Okay, we know interest is equal to PNR upon 100. This is our formula. I is the interest, P is the principal, N is number of years and R is the rate of interest. Now he received 3280 as total interest from scheme A and scheme B. So it means interest received from A plus interest received from B is equal to total interest. Total interest is 3280. Now let us calculate interest received from A. From the formula I is equal to PNR upon 100. So interest from A will become P. In scheme A he invested rupees X. So principal amount is X. For how many years? 2 years. N is 2. Rate of interest for scheme A is 5% per annum. It means it is 5 upon 100. This is the interest from scheme A plus interest from B. In B he invested rupees 25,000 minus X for 2 years. 25,000 minus X. N is number of years 2. Rate of interest is 8 divided by 100. This total interest is equal to 3280. It is given. So we got this equation. Now let us simplify this. It becomes 10x plus 25,000 into 16 minus 16x is equal to 328,000. Now further simplify it. It becomes 6x is equal to 72,000 or x is equal to 12,000 is the answer. So basically he invested rupees 12,000 in scheme A and remaining 13,000 in scheme B. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. You can also follow me on Facebook. Thank you very much.